We are going to toast some ciabatta, add the ragu with it, and then we have our own Labneh cheese. So this used to be yogurt, and now we've got a beautiful cheese. So we've got a clove of garlic over here. We've got some paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper. This is beautiful, even if you just dip your bread in this. We use ciabatta. This looks sexy and it smells lovely as well. You can serve your ragu on the side, you can serve it on top. Just going on the side here. Marinade, whatever you want to call it, going on top of your labneh. I don't know what to say, except for start to eat now.